How to overcome stress in 3 simple steps without any extra tools. In this video, you will learn how to overcome stress with just 3 simple and effective breathing exercises. These easy techniques can be done anywhere at home, in the office, or even in your car. Follow these steps to restore your mental calm and balance quickly and efficiently. Steps: 3 breathing exercises. Step 1. Deep breathing. How to do it. Slowly inhale through your nose while counting to 4. Hold your breath while counting to 4. Exhale through your mouth while counting to 4. Repeat this process 5 to 10 times. Why it works. Deep breathing reduces stress hormones and increases oxygen flow to your brain, promoting relaxation. Step 2. Alternate nostril breathing. How to do it. Use your right thumb to close your right nostril. Inhale deeply through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your finger. Open your right nostril and exhale. Repeat this process 5 to 6 times, alternating nostrils. Why it works. This technique balances the nervous system and calms the mind. Step 3. For 7-8 breathing. How to do it. Inhale through your nose while counting to 4. Hold your breath while counting to 7. Exhale slowly through your mouth while counting to 8. Repeat this process 4 times. Why it works. This method slows your heart rate, reduces stress, and promotes deep relaxation. You don't need any special conditions or equipment to perform these exercises. They are designed to help you quickly and effectively manage stress wherever you are.